Animals that are last of their kind. Number 1. Brazilians, Spix's macaw. Few of these are still alive in Cajun, and around 100 of them are in zoos and other sanctuaries. They're diminishing due to the loss of their homes. As these birds are closely related, it is difficult to breed them, and often the inbreeding does not produce viable offspring. Number 2. Amur leopard. Apart from Africa, a rare subspecies has adapted to life in the temperate forests in some regions of Russia and China. However, their population grew from 24 to 100 in the forests, which decreased to 84 in 2019 in the forests, and about 170 are still in captivity. The main threat to their survival is deforestation, inbreeding, and industrial invasion. However, some success has been achieved in their successful breeding in captivity too. But problem still arises due to hunters if they are sent again to forests. Anyways, they're still the largest big cat species around the globe. Number 3. White rhino. Historically, the uncontrolled hunting of white rhino in the colonial era is one of the main causes of decline of this subspecies. As the white rhino horn is highly prized in traditional Asian medicine, the threat of its existence still continues. The tablet prepared by grinding it into a fine powder is effectively used in treating strokes and fevers. Their eyesight being poor and their nature being unaggressive, it becomes even more difficult to preserve their population. In 2019, the last remaining male died, and only 2 females of the subspecies were alive. Number 4. Black rhino. The white rhino is also under threat of extinction, whose population is decreasing day by day. In the 20th century, the number of black rhinos declined drastically, that is up to 96%. In 2011, only one subspecies, the southwestern black rhinoceros, was alive. After the incredible conservation efforts in Africa, they've made a remarkable comeback. Poaching and black market trafficking are posing threat to their existence even today. Number 5. Javan rhino. Although rhinos are considered native to African continent, on an average, they are about 10 feet long and 5 feet. Its cousin Indian rhino are faring better, but they're confined to the island of Java after they were driven away from the rest of Southeast Asia by hunting and deforestation. Today, only 72 Javan rhinos are alive in a wildlife sanctuary. Diseases and inbreeding still put their survival at risk. Its populations were already driven to extinction in 2010. Number 6. Malayan tiger. These tigers are mostly seen in Malaysia, and hence the name. Sometimes they're also found in a small part of Thailand. According to a survey, there are only about 300 to 340 Malayan tigers left, and they are considered to be the subspecies of the Indo-Chinese tiger, which is also under threat of extinction. This is because they're often poached for traditional medicine and due to deforestation. On the other hand, while they are also kept in some zoos and reserves, these 54 are descended from only 11 tigers. Thus, they are so closely related that they cannot sustain a wild population. Efforts to conserve them is hard because not much is known about their behavior. Hence, the Malayan tiger still remains under the threat of extinction. Number 7. Red-crowned roofed turtle. These uniquely beautiful turtles, historically found in Bangladesh, Nepal, Burma, and Northeast India, are on the brink of extinction. Red-crowned roofed turtle are mostly harvested for meat and shells drowned in fishing nets. Also, pollution and irregular water flow from dams are destroying their habitats. Number 8. Saolas. Saolas are also known as the Asian unicorn. It was discovered 20 years ago, but still very little is known about this animal, and they are by now critically endangered. They don't exist in captivity because they cannot survive in confinement for more than a few months. They are basically solitary creatures. Their actual number in existence is still unknown. Number 9. Vancouver Island marmot. Marmot are native to southwestern Canadian island and live in a group of 3 to 5 animals. They mostly live in their burrows to save themselves from predators. They dig complex burrow systems which are often used by other animals too. These include insects and smaller mammals. Vancouver Island marmos can be hunted very easily. It is estimated that only 90 adult marmos are alive today. Number 10. Pika. The pika is a small mammal of size of only 7 to 8 inches and is native to the Tan Shan mountain range in China. By using a particular type of telepathy, pikas usually call a large group instantly if they suspect any danger. In fact, more than 100 pikas come together to fight off a predator. Even then, their number is diminishing fast and only about 1,000 of them are left now. Climate change, human disturbance, livestock grazing, and global warming are the main threats to them. Pikas cannot withstand high temperature and mostly die from overheating. Even increase in droughts and floods and decrease in snow has significantly altered the composition of vegetation in their natural alpine habitat. Due to this, pikas move further upwards into the mountain tops. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.